In the 1990s, the Sahara name was synonymous with rugged, versatile motorcycles, suitable for a wide range of uses and users. Inspired by Honda models that triumphed in African desert competitions, such as the Paris-Dakar Rally, the NX350 Sahara inspires these desert swallowers, not only in appearance, with classic HRC, Honda Racing Corporation livery, but also by offering outstanding performance and, most importantly, extraordinary resilience and toughness. The choice of the name Sahara to christen the new model aims to save the values of a multi-purpose motorcycle, capable of meeting the various demands of users, who may want to traverse Brazil from north to south or simply complete general urban routes. Or both. In the end, the Sahara 300 was born under the pillar of total versatility, with 3 versions skillfully differentiated from each other: Standard, Rally and Adventure, but retaining the Sahara spirit, inspired by the use of 360. The technical recipe for the new product comes from elements of recognized efficiency: the CRF 250F chassis, a modern off-roader, and an engine derived from the CB300F Twister, a modern street fighter launched about a year ago. Such a choice demonstrates a constructive philosophy that respects the common characteristics of all Hondas, namely ultimate reliability. The main focus in the creation of the Sahara 300 was to combine the characteristic versatility of legendary models of the past with the latest technology, developing a new motorcycle that improves on the acclaimed XRE family. Positive elements are added from Honda's extensive experience in the on-off segment to achieve new levels of efficiency and durability. Using the CRF 250F chassis as a base is the ideal choice to achieve superior durability. Such structural specifications meet the standards required for a motorcycle that has won South America's toughest off-road race, the Rally dos Sertões, 4 times in a row. In this context, it is worth mentioning that the Sahara 300's engine is derived from the engine used in the new CB300F Twister. By selecting an established chassis and engine and combining them with the XRE's natural call of fun, the designers achieved the premise behind the development of the Sahara 300, combining the relationship between comfort and ease of use with high technical specifications. The result is a model that ideally balances performance, durability, and practicality. The strength of this configuration is accompanied by care in important details, such as the new blackout LCD digital panel, which has a gear indicator and all the information that allows you to effectively control important parameters, such as instantaneous and average speed, engine speed, fuel level, fuel, total and partial mileage, A and B, average and fuel consumption, and battery voltage. The screen's high contrast and graphic patterns make it easy to see in different lighting conditions. The clock and periodic maintenance indicators, in addition to the traditional warning lights, set the Sahara 300 a higher standard on this item. Fundamental to comfort, the density of the foam and the seat cover are other outstanding aspects of the Sahara 300. Likewise, the increased softness of the assisted clutch, which provides more comfort during operation, is important especially on urban routes and in conjunction with slides. Technology that provides greater safety during more severe downshifts. When traveling on the motorway, the introduction of sixth gear contributes to reduced consumption and noise emissions. Details aimed at practicality and increased safety are also present on the new model, such as a USB-C port on the side of the dashboard and the S emergency stop signal system, which automatically activates the turn signal during sudden, full braking. LED lighting and hazard warning light on the right handle. From an aesthetic point of view, the Sahara 300 innovates with impressive lines inspired by the reference adventurers in the Honda range, providing a family feel that elevates the model's durability. The 21-inch front wheel and long travel suspension characterize it as a genuine on-off. The Adventure version differs from other versions with a larger windshield, a tubular steel perimeter structure that protects the sides and front of the fairing, and also a crankcase protector. On the standard and rally versions, with colors and graphics reminiscent of Team Honda Racing's off-road champion motorcycles, this component is optional. Ultimately, the Sahara 300 exists to serve a wide market segment with renewed confidence, preserving the legacy of its ancestor whose name, now recovered, remains in the imagination of motorcyclists as an example of efficiency, economy, durability, and versatility. The Sahara 300 engine is a modern air-cooled single-cylinder, with different technical characteristics compared to the XRE 300 equipped engine, although the difference in cubic capacity is small, from 291.6 cc to. The long-awaited new feature, the inclusion of sixth gear, is accompanied by a new clutch assistance system, namely the assisted and sliding type. The results of this improvement are seen through a reduction in the level of effort required to operate the lever. Meanwhile, the slipper clutch provides security during the most extreme gear changes by preventing loss of grip on the rear wheel. Another piece of equipment on the Sahara 300 is the oil cooler, positioned so that it is not damaged if dropped and to guarantee thermal stability, a determining factor in engine durability, as well as reducing the possibility of overheating in intensive use, as extending the efficiency of the lubricant.